I'm honored to have you here, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Welcome to another exciting video, where we'll be shedding light on Sa Puso Ko Iingatan Ka. Sa Puso Ko Iingatan Ka international name, My Heart, Take Care is a Philippine drama series made by ABS-CBN. It aired from June 18, 2001 to February 14, 2003. The show starred Judy and Santos and Piolo Pascual. The series re-aired internationally from 2004 to 2006 on Pinoy Central TV, now S+A International, and with back-to-back episodes on Cinema One Global from November 2012 to 2013. Part of its drama are replacing Kampanerang Kuba reruns. In the following segment, we'll be examining plot in greater detail. A young woman named Patricia is trying to find true acceptance and love from her father Edu Monzono. After being born out of wedlock, she must also succumb to get through her daily emotional ordeals, such as her complicated family life with her mother and drunken lover, her cruel stepsister, and her grandmother. She will fall in love in the process with Jordan, a young man who will fall for her heart. But will their love story get a happily ever after? The story revolves around Patricia, Judy, and Santos and her search for a comfortable life. Patricia, born out of wedlock to parents Armand Monticello, Edu Monzono, and his secretary-turned-lover Nieves Judy, had to face various challenges and tribulations, including living with an alcoholic, abusive stepfather Abner Pen Medina and experiencing cruelty from her stepsister Sheila Julia Torret. However, hope arrives as she meets Jordan Piolo Pascual, who promises eternal love. Patricia and Jordan marry and face the wounds of their pasts. Can greed and power destroy others, or can love and determination heal all types of wounds? In the end, Patricia is revealed to be the long-lost biological daughter of Armand with Mayla Coney Reyes, who was initially her stepmother. Nieves is actually Patricia's adoptive mother, who had a son with Armand named Chandra Romix Sarmento, was stole by Dr. Enriquez Timmy Cruz, she's adoptive mother. Meanwhile, Sheila, believed to be Armand and Mayla's daughter, is actually the long-lost biological daughter of star Sherry Gill. Get ready for a captivating exploration as we unravel the layers of caste and their profound significance. Lead cast: Judy and Santos as Patricia Monticello Villamins, Piolo Pascual as Jordan Villamins. Main cast: Coney Reyes as Mayla Lisandro Monticello, Patricia biological, Sheila adoptive and Adrian's mother, but she's supposed to be a stepmother of Patricia in first scene. Edu Monzono as Armand Monticello Chandro, Patricia and Adrian's father, and Sheila's adoptive father Jojo Padilla as Nieves Quevedo Pacheco, Patricia adoptive, Abby and Chandra's mother. Julia Torret as Sheila Monticello Summon, stars biological daughter John Lloyd Cruz as Adrian Monticello, younger son of Mayla and Armand, also younger brother of Patricia biological and Sheila adoptive, and Chandra's younger half-brother. Armelia Sigchen Reyna as Lourdes Lisandro, Mayla's mother, and Adrian, Patricia biological and Sheila adoptive's grandmother. Sherry Gill as star Sheila's biological mother. Mark Gill as Mr. de Guzman, Abby's father. Rosemary Gill as Emilia Villamins, Jordan and Dante's mother and also Patricia's mother-in-law. Also as main cast: Angelica Panganaban as Abby de Guzman, Needs' younger daughter from Mr. de Guzman. Sherry Pipakich as Becky Padzisic and Patricia's godmother. Carlo Aquino as a Mandela Cruz, son of Arsing from his first wife. Romix Sarmenta as Chandrodra, Enriquez's adoptive son, but also he's a biological son of Armand and Nieves and Patricia's long-lost half-brother. Timmy Cruz Esdra, Enriquez Chandra adoptive and Adelaine's mother. Isabel Granada as Adelaine Enriquez-Dra, Enriquez's daughter, and also she's a long-lost biological daughter of Franco. Supporting cast: Priscilla Almeida as Joey, Stephen Alonso as Adrian's friend, Jackie Castillos as Cleo, Mengi Covarrubias as Ramel, Orma Concepcion as Benilda Villamins, Mimi DeVoe as Elaine, Hazel Espiosa as Gemma Rose Arsing's second wife. Daniel Fernando as Tinying, he knows the truth about Patricia, Chandro, and Shelia's true identities. Vivian Foes as Evelyn, Glenda Garcia as Lanny's mother, Gina Paul Guzman as Red Bernardo, Kathleen Hermosa as Babette, Simon Ibarra as Dr. Neil Guanzan, Cherry Lou as Julie, Manju Del Mundo as Prison Warden, Isa Marquez as Lonnie, Aya Medal as Dante's mistress, Pen Medina as Adna Pacheco, Nieves' drunk husband, Melissa Mendez as Nelia Domingo, Carlos' aunt and also Patricia's godmother, Matthew Mendoza as Dante Villamens, Jordan's elder brother and also Patricia's brother-in-law, L.A. Muma as Carlos Amont, Belinda Panelo as Isabel Boromo, Lito Pimentel as Arsing de la Cruz, Emon's father, Fran Reyes Jr. as Mr. Tordesillas, R.J. Rosales as Dexter Tolentino, Caridad Sanchez as Lolita Quevedo, Needs' mother, and Patricia adoptive Abby and Chandra biological's grandmother. Jeffrey Santos as Verdo de Padolini, Santos as Elena Monza del Rosario as Mario Jordan, and Patricia's friend as Long Life. Recurring, extended, and guest casts Yul Servo as Apoy, Jennifer Sevilla as Dr. Escoto, Marica Fernandez as Wendy, a prostitute contacted by Chandro to have sex photo in a hotel room with Jordan. Joel Tor as Franco de Quiroz Monticello, Adelaine's biological father. Vic Vargas as Mr. Villamens and Villegas as Sheila's cellmate, Dick Israel as Tats. Get ready for a thought-provoking discussion as we delve into production and its impact on our understanding. In 2001, ABS-CBN reached its peak with its timeless and memorable telenovelas Pangeko Soyo and Recado de Ama. The series united fellow actors Judy and Santos and Piolo Pascual after their successful team-up in the phenomenal drama Esperanza. The series would also be remembered as one of their chronicled team-ups before their future roles, especially the award-winning soap Piling Mo in 2006. The series also served acclaim for award-winning veteran actors Edu Monzono, Jojo Padilla, Coney Reyes and Miss Armida Sigchen Reyna. Stay connected and join our community by subscribing and following me on other platforms.